Hello and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Today I'll be making Nigerian seafood stew, perfect for Good Friday. Without wasting much time, let's dive in so I can show you what we need. The ingredients are blended and boiled tomatoes and peppers, sliced purple onion, and for our protein we have snails, stockfish, and fried croaker fish. For the dried ingredients we have curry, grinded thyme, rosemary leaves, seasoning cube, and salt to taste. First we add the oil to the pan. This is the oil I use to fry the fish. You allow this to heat up for about 3 minutes, then we can fry the onion. So let's go in with our salt now that it's hot. Then our purple onion. Then we add thyme and rosemary. So we allow this to cook for a few minutes before adding our blended boiled tomatoes. After about 4 minutes, when the onions is a little bit cooked, then we add our blended boiled tomatoes and peppers. So mix thoroughly. I'll cook for about 20 minutes. Normally, I leave the pot uncovered to speed up cooking. 25 minutes has passed and your stew should look like this. And next we add curry, the stockfish, and the snail. Now I add the curry. Next here I'll add the snail. Then we'll add the stockfish. I'm adding my snails and stockfish 10 minutes earlier so it can be soft before adding the fried fish. I'm going to add some water. I'm not using meat stock today. So I'm adding, so this is Good Friday stew, no meat, so I'm just using water. I'll allow this to cook for 10 minutes. Now I'll cover halfway to allow this to cook. If you're enjoying this video, remember to like and subscribe. 10 minutes has passed, so I'll add my seasoning cube and the fish. I'll add the fish and I'll stir in carefully. Just add more water. And mix. Rich Good Friday stew. So we allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. Our seafood Good Friday stew is ready to be served. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be receiving delicious recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie.